how many of you have a LinkedIn account? So type it down yes in the chat box if you have a LinkedIn account. Excellent, excellent, guys. So how many of you want to grow fast on LinkedIn? Okay, type it down me in the chat box. If you want to grow fast on the LinkedIn, type it down me. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Amazing. Okay. Firstly, I would like to thank you all the members who are being here and who are attending this Success Ready, right? This community on the Sunday. And I would like to also thank you to the Kirtan sir and CA family for giving me this amazing opportunity. Hello, I am Hinal Patel. I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and currently now I am pursuing my master's in nursing. So today I'm going to tell you how I achieved 100 connections in just 11 days. So, all of you want to listen my story? Type it down yes in the chat box if you want to listen my story. Yes, thank you guys, thank you. Okay. So I will share. Okay, I am Hinal Patel and I am a CI. I'm a student at CI India. And before joining the CI, I used to face I used to be a very introvert person, and also I had so many doubts that how I will achieve my goal in my life, right? So I am also the same person like you. Also, I had some fluency problem in my English in speaking, and also I being like fear of judgment that how people judge me when I speak, right? So also I face so many problems in my life, but when I joined CI, I started to connecting with new people, and in the past 25 days, I started connect with more than 35 people in only in CI, right? You can see here some of the glimpse that how I connect with the people. You can see here there are one-to-one communication also. It's one-to-many communication is also there. So what is LinkedIn? If you want to know that what is LinkedIn and how you can become a champion in LinkedIn, type it down C in the chat box. Awesome, guys. Thank you. So there are mainly 5 reasons why I start my LinkedIn journey. First one is professional networking, because I want to connect with more and more people through the LinkedIn, right? Because there are so many seniors and so many, like I'm from nursing, right? So there are so many nursing leaders who are using LinkedIn, right? So I want to connect with them because there is no any opportunity to connect with them. Like we can't connect on the Instagram, on YouTube. Like LinkedIn is the professional platform that we can connect, right? So that is the first reason why I start my LinkedIn journey. The second one is access for job opportunity, right? Is the important point. Like anybody can join LinkedIn to find out the job. Then show commitment to my career. Like being a nursing student, like I'm trying to post, so I'm trying to create a post like which is based on nursing. That like for example, rights for nursing, how nursing faces so many issues in their field, right? So it's like a showing my commitment to my career. Then build a personal brand and open the doors to the international opportunities. So there are mainly 5 reasons that I start my LinkedIn journey. Then what are the 5 challenges I have faced when I start my LinkedIn journey? Well, whenever I go for the whenever I start learning new things, right? Definitely we face so many issues, right? So also I face issues like how I strong network, how I build a strong network with the other people, right? Then consider how I can post and how I can engaging with the other people is also a challenge for me. Then I was not knowing who to follow or connect with, right? Understanding LinkedIn feature. Well, there are so many LinkedIn features that I did not know about that how to use LinkedIn feature. But I went through the YouTube video, right? That how to use LinkedIn feature properly. Then imposter syndrome. So many people are facing imposter syndrome. For example, whenever they are achieve any award or any certificate, but in the mind they are thinking that no, it's not for me. It's they are not they are they are feeling fear that it's not for me. They are not recognizing their self well, right? Then what are the 5 goals I set for my LinkedIn journey? First one is build a strong personal brand. Second is discover opportunities and collaboration, that I want to get opportunity and I want to collaborate with international and national people in my field, and inspire and educate through the content. Find a mentor or coach in my profession. For example, before 2 days, I get an opportunity to join the online webinar hosted by Serena Tenderson, right? Which is who is actually living in USA. But I got the opportunity and I joined the webinar, and I found out that what are the problems nursing face not only in India but also in the USA. So it's also main important point. Last one is build trust and community. Then what I did to start my LinkedIn profile. So how many of you want to know that what I did to start my LinkedIn journey? Type it down L in the chat box. If you want to know that what I did to start my LinkedIn profile, type it down L in the chat box. Yes, I can see Ganesh, Sneha, Gopal. Thank you so much for amazing response. Thank you, guys. First one is you have to create your profile photo and cover image using Canva, right? So there is the right side that it gives a Canva image, right? It's the application. Canva is the application. By using Canva, you can create a profile and your cover image for your LinkedIn, right? Second one is I wrote my LinkedIn bio using the LinkedIn Seed Codex, right? If you, when you attend the LinkedIn Mastery session by Kirtan sir, right? You got to know about that. What is the LinkedIn Seed Codex? By using the LinkedIn Seed Codex, you can easily write your LinkedIn description. Then third one is I started connecting with people in my field. So whenever you start your LinkedIn, firstly trying to connect with people who are around you. For example, your friends, your family members might be your cousins, your classmates, your teachers, right? So firstly trying to connect with people around you and send a request. Don't try to be hesitant to send a request. Okay. Whenever you start a LinkedIn profile, send a request to your near and dear ones. Fourth one is I started through my gallery, picked the meaningful photo, and wrote my first LinkedIn post. Okay. After sending the connection request, also got blank then what to write on LinkedIn post. Right. But I gone through the my gallery and find out some meaningful post, then I can write on it. Okay. So I my first post about on my achievement when I was working as a staff nurse in one of the private hospital in Ahmedabad. At that time, I achieved the Employee of the Month award. So I wrote my post on the achievement. Then last one is I post 2 to 3 times per week, and I also schedule my LinkedIn post here. You can see that I scheduled my post already. Like it's June to 11 a.m. So it already posted. You have to schedule your post, right? So you whenever you get free time, right? For example, if you know about that, yes, I can write down 2 topics, right? So write it down 2 topics and schedule it. Then here you can see when I start my LinkedIn on 21st of March 2025, zero connection, right? You can see that there is zero connection. And on the 31st March, 100 connection, I reached 100 connection in just 11 days. And now it's a today's photograph, right? Right side, you can see, right, guys, that I reached 207 connections today. Okay. So it's a big milestone. And you can write LinkedIn profile, you can write a LinkedIn post on many topics like learning post, people post, authority post, hard post, skill post, community, and result post that you will learn in the masters LinkedIn mastery session. Then left side there is a content performance that it's a 7670. It's a content performance that how many people gone through my post and 277 engagements. And here left side is created LinkedIn account. Here is my first post. As you can see left side, it's my first post, my achievement post, right? So I till now I created 10 posts like 1, 2, 3. Here are my parents' post, right? It's like a CI family photograph, my certificate of completion on communication success journey mentorship. And this is photograph is when I attended the online webinar hosted by Teresa Sanderson, and I took a screenshot of it. And right side is my today's post. That perfection is a myth. Focus on your process. Okay, what I got to know about that. Here is the lesson for you guys. Don't try to be perfect. Just start and stay consistent. And don't post for attention. Post to add values to other person's life. Thank you so much, guys.